Hey guys, this is MJ from Imer Customs. This motorcycle, which is an Interceptor 650cc, we have tried to change the entire look and feel of the bike just through the paint job. So let's discuss about what we have done in this particular Royal Enfield Interceptor. If you notice, this motorcycle doesn't have any modifications or any structural changes to it. It has a few add-ons like back grille and a different seating arrangement which the customer has already put it. But still it looks very different from normal Royal Enfield Interceptor. The reason is because we have tweaked around with the painting, and it would be very intriguing to know that only through the painting itself you can completely transform the look and feel of the bike. You do not need to do a lot of modifications or structural changes to the motorcycle. Now in this motorcycle you would notice we have tried to capture the essence of Lord Shiva in its true form. The top of the tank has a beautiful Lord Shiva in a proper aggressive macho pose with a snake in the background. So this particular image has been taken from internet. I could not find who is the actual creator of this picture because I could not find it. I tried to search, but I would try to give him the credit of coming out with this concept of this Shiva. We have tried to inculcate that picture on top of this motorcycle, and then on the two sides of the tank, if you see, we have on one side the picture of Kedarnath, and on the other side we have the picture of Badrinath, which is one of our 4 dhams. So now the idea of the customer was to keep the red color of the motorcycle because it's mentioned in the RC, so he did not want to fiddle around with that. So he wanted the bike's color to be in red color. So what we did is we suggested to use candy red color, which is a very deep and juicy color with a lot of depth. And then the Kedarnath and Badrinath temple inscriptions, those we have kept it more or less realistic, but the Shiva's image, which is on the top of the tank, we have tried to keep it in the red color itself. So I would like to explain you how this execution happens. Many people try to, they hear a lot about this candy paint and all. So what is this candy paint? Candy paint is a transparent and a very deep color which is applied on top of a silver base or a golden base. So a metallic base basically. And when you apply transparent red on the silver color, what happens is you are seeing the silver color but through a layer of transparent red film. In our case it is transparent red, so it will be a red film. If you are using transparent blue, then it would be a blue film. So it looks very transparent and deep. So in our case what we have done is, first and foremost, we have covered the entire body kits in silver color. After we have done that, we have made out the sections where the temple's realistic images would come. That is on the left hand side and the right hand side. Rest all things have been coated in red candy color after the artwork is completely done. We have also come up with another video of how this Shiva's artwork has been done, the picture on the top of the tank, how it has been done. We have already captured the details and we will come up with another video on that. So let me tell you how we have done the black color of the engine. So basically for engine, what we do is we spray it first with a coat of zinc etch primer, and once we do that we spray it with a coat of epoxy primer, and then we spray epoxy black and then clear coat it. Regarding the quality of the paint of the exterior panels like the tank, toolboxes and mudguards, basically these are coated with 6 to 8 layers of clear coat. They are also made in a way that they will last longer, and whether it is sun, dust or wind, it will stay like that for a long period of time. So whenever you are coming to Imer Customs, you should be sure of one thing: you get exceptional quality product, great craftsmanship and good customer relationship. So together it makes for a great product, and we assure you that whatever product we give you, that stands the test of time and stays like that for a long period of time. Thank you.